I bought and tested two of Amazon's most popular moving and storage bags. I tell you everything you need to know about them. You can't go wrong with either one of these. They are very similar, but there are some big differences that will probably make one of these better for you. I'll kind of go over how I use them, tell you everything you want to know about them, show you how they zip up, and most importantly, show you how this fits in. This is about 75 pieces of clothing. I'll show you what it looks like in each bag and some of the pros and the cons. This is going to be our TAILI bag right over here, and this guy right here is going to be the RMOHRO, RMOHRO. We're going to take a look at this one first. All these bags do come in different colors, sizes, so if you're not digging these colors and sizes or how many come in a bag, you could change that. So this is going to be the remote one right over here. You're going to get 6 of these. They come with all of these little labels as well. I really like the fact that they come in labels. I have not written on these labels. We kind of have in a little note in an iPhone, like red is for Christmas, yellow is for this. This is our second set of bags that we have gotten because we like them so much. So this is what they look like right over here. These can hold up to 65 pounds. This zippers all the way down right over here. They all fold down to this right over here. So this is the new pack we got. They all fold down. So once you're done with this, it could fold back down to that. Now, in terms of kind of how this operates right over here, you can throw this over your shoulder if you wanted to do that, which is a nice little option. And then we also have right over here, we have a little envelope, kind of this plastic piece right over here, where you could put a slip of paper to tell you what it is. Now, in terms of storage right over here, I'm just going to throw all this stuff in here. It's easiest to do for me is to load back to front. I just found that the easiest way to do it. Like, these are just shorts and shirts and all sorts of stuff over here. About 75 pieces. I honestly think I could get about 100 pieces in here. There's going to be room for more, and I'll show you that in just a second. So this is kind of everything in here right now. And then when you're done, you can kind of just zip from over here if you want to. You could just make it a little tight. I like to kind of zip halfway. These zippers are really strong, as you can see right over here, and the material on this bag is really strong. And then you could just pop this right over just like that. And then if you wanted to label that, you have that chance. Let's go over this one now. So this is going to be the TAILI bag right over here. There are a couple of differences you could probably notice visually right off the bat. We'll get into some of that in a little bit. These could hold about 130 pounds. I have not had 130 pounds in here. Both of these bags are good for Christmas storage, decorations. We have kind of some of our outdoor Christmas decorations in these as well. This one does have a clear pouch right over here. It does come with this white insert right over here. I kind of like this. So for summer clothes, you could put like summer on here, and then if you put your winter clothes in here, you could flip it around. This is double-sided, and you could put winter on that. So kind of let's see how this works right over here. So in terms of loading, you load this from the top right over here. So you're just going to put this stuff in. The zipper does not go all the way down on this one. That's one of the biggest differences. We're going to get into the differences in just a second. Obviously, you probably want to fold these up, but I'm trying to save you time so you can see exactly what they look like in each one. Super easy to do. These aren't machine washable. They are water resistant though. So if some water spilled on the top of this, you don't have to worry about it. It's not like it's going to seep in or anything like that. So now we're just going to get that going just like that. And a nice strong zipper on this one as well. This does have a clear front right over here, and you have that. In terms of over the shoulder, you can't really put this over your shoulder. Maybe I just have bigger shoulders. I don't know. But I can't get it over my shoulder, and I'm 5'11". And then you have on the side here, you have side handles as well. You could also go like that if you wanted to. Now, let's just go over kind of the differences of both of these right over here. The biggest difference right off the back is this zipper. So for the RMOHRO one right over here, the zipper goes all the way down, just like that. This is what it looks like on the inside. I do like this feature because you can load back to front a little easier. You don't have to kind of like put more over the top. if that's kind of what you're looking for. This one also just you could put this one over your shoulder. I prefer to have something over my shoulder just because it's easier to carry and kind of distribute the weight that way. And you do have this little clear plastic right over here. None of the straps are adjustable on any of these, and none of these are on wheels. For this one right over here, some of the differences and stuff that I like about it, I do like that you have a clear pouch right over here so you can kind of see into it. And you do have, it does come with these cards. You have that option as well. It is nice that you have the side right over here so you can pick it up just like this as another option or carry it like this. That's probably the biggest difference between the two of these. Again, they're both super sturdy. This one could hold 130 pounds. This one could hold 65 pounds. I really don't have more than 65 pounds worth of stuff in either of these. So I would say this. So I would say this is going to be a great fit for you. Let's go with this one. This is going to be a great fit for you right over here if you do want that over the shoulder thing, capability. And you could label this. That's the biggest difference. This one does not have any clear in it. So you can't really see in, but you do have this label here. So you have a label over here. So it's kind of just like, I don't know, if it's labeled, like what do you need to see? So that's probably the biggest difference. This one can go over your shoulder. This one can't. In terms of handles, this has both handles on top and handles on the side. This one only has it on the top. And for this one right over here, this one zippers all the way down so you can load back to front. This one right over here, you just put stuff in top. You can't really go wrong with either one of these. I'd probably say if you're looking for clothing storage and you want to see, maybe the TAILI's better. This is going to be great for clothing and or decorations because I think this is really nice to load decorations into. Again, you can't go wrong with either one of these. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right moving storage bag for you.